Welcome to the iRoofing training tutorial. My name is Kyle, I'm the lead trainer here at iRoofing, and I'm going to be taking you through the entire application today. And the next section we're going to go into is the roof simulator. Now once my simulator has loaded up, I have the option to either take a photo or load a photo from my album. In this case, since I'm at the office, I want to hit load from album. Now I'm going to go into my camera roll, select a picture of a roof that I have, and then hit done up in the top right corner. After doing so, it's going to load up my picture. We can also see that my material that I selected is up at the top. And to place this material on the roof, what I need to do now is place down points around the perimeters of each of my slopes that I've got in the picture to cover them up. So when I place and hold my finger down on the screen, I can now drag my finger over to the bottom of the hip, lift off the screen, and now it's going to leave a dot in place. Now I can place my finger down anywhere else on the page and drag it over to this time the right side of this eave, lift off the screen again, and now I've got a line between my 2 points. So I'll continue going around this area of the roof until I've gotten each one of my points on the perimeters covered up. And then I also have a slope on the opposite side of the roof. To add that slope, I can hit the add button on the left side of the screen. It's the third button from the top left corner. Now I can place down points to cover up the opposite area without affecting the area that I just drew. So after drawing out that area, I can tap within the area to confirm my points. And we can see that right now the areas don't really look like they belong on the roof yet. Our material is oversized, it's not really angled correctly, so before we show this to a homeowner, we want to make some adjustments to it. So we'll first tap on both areas of the roof to highlight them, tap on zoom at the bottom of the screen, then I can use the slider on the right side of my screen and move that up or down to adjust the size of my shingles, which in this case I want to be smaller. Then from here, I can tap on one area to deselect it and only make changes to one area at a time. I'll tap on perspective in the bottom right corner, and now I can also change the angle that you view the material from. Then I can hit pitch, and also simulate the effect of a pitch on here. And then from there, I can tap on rotate my imagery if necessary, and then tilt, and tilt everything in the right direction. Then tap the area to confirm. Now I need to do the same thing for the opposite side, so I'll tap on that side of the roof and do the same thing, but make my changes in the opposite directions. And then after making my adjustments to this area, the homeowner now will have a pretty good idea of what the roof will look like, and you most likely haven't even been to the property yet. Now from here, if I want to showcase different types of materials, maybe a different manufacturer, or maybe just different colors of the same product, I can tap on product up in the top left-hand corner, go back into my manufacturer, and select the profile I'd like to use. Then I can tap on any one of my colors down at the bottom to add those in as additional options. Then I can tap on the expand button up in the top right-hand corner of the picture. That will take me back to my editing screen. Then I can tap on both areas of the roof to highlight them again, and then tap on any color from up at the top to automatically swap out my material. After selecting a material that we like, we can hit share in the bottom left corner. And then from this screen, we have the option to save this photo to any one of our customers in our customer database. Or we can tap on material list up at the top right corner and save the list of materials that we created. So if we use these materials in a majority of our jobs, we don't have to build the list each and every time we open up our simulator. Next we'll hit drawing up in the top right corner, and we can also save this drawing. So this way if we ever wanted to come back to this picture and just make changes to the colors or the materials that we've got on the roof, we don't have to draw the area all over again. Now when I hit continue to export options in the bottom right corner, this will take me to a screen where I can now email the photo, save it to my device, copy and paste it, or print it out.